Welcome to Digital NIKITHA. In this video, we'll talk about how to add a reading progress bar in WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin panel. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Read Meter. Locate the Read Meter plugin in the search results, then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Configure the Read Meter plugin, go to Settings. Scroll down and you will see Read Meter. Click on it. Click on Read Time. Check the box to show post Read Time. Select above the content to display the read time above your post content. Click Save Changes. Still in the Read Meter settings, click on Progress. Select top of the page for the progress bar position. Customize the color and style to your preference. Click Save Changes. Check your changes. Navigate to one of your posts to see the read time and the reading progress bar in action. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos.